What do I do as a life coach? I know some folks have asked. Me as a life coach, of course, I'm the person who's, of course, helping those who are wanting the help to, of course, move forward in their own life, whether that's with their mindset, because that's what I love, of course, like talking about the mindset, shifting your mindset and your perspective on different issues, experiences that you have and the traumas that you have, so that you can best move forward. Because I know with my trauma in the past and that kind of thing as well, I had to work on my mindset in order to move forward. So like I said, that's what I love as far as the individual and as far as life coaching. And like I said, I know there are some other things that come into play. Soft skills, meaning learning how to, of course, communicate, learning, of course, what words to use, how to express yourself. And I know I always say speak your truth and that kind of thing. Just teaching you how to speak your truth and, of course, like I said, stay firm in your boundaries. Learn how to be able to say no and feel okay about it. I guess I put it that way. Like I said, just learning how to speak your piece and be who you are. Like I said, there's always been, it's a bug on me, y'all. That's always been something that's always been big for me when it comes to, of course, people not being who they truly are because they're scared of how other folks what they may say, how they may feel about them. They don't want to be my friend anymore or whatever it is. Or my family's talking about I've changed and all these kind of things. At some point, everybody has to change. And like I said, I want you to be who you are the best you can. I guess I put it that way. And as much as you're allowing to be who you are. Like I said, that's just been, I don't care whether it's life or relationship, because I do both. And I'll talk to you about that in another video. But like I said, as far as the life coaching, it's important to me that you're being who you are. Your boundaries, like I said, your communication, knowing how to express yourself, knowing how to speak that truth, I guess I put it that way. And of course, shifting that mindset to know that whatever happened to you, traumas, dramas, all those experiences, of course, you are the victim. You're not the victim anymore. Like I said, that is what I do as a life coach.